How to save Google Photos to Gallery. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Google Photos app on your phone. Then all you have to do is log into your Google account, and there will be some normal questions asked about turning on notifications or not. Give access to your all photos according to your preferences. Now all you have to do is look for the photo you want to download. So here I'm doing an individual photo. Now tap on the photo you want to save to the phone. Once you find the photo, simply tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of that photo. So once you tap on it, you will get to see download option available there. And now download it. So in order to get multiple photos, all you have to do is select multiple photos by tapping on them, and again tap on the three dot and tap on the download option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.